Hi guys, welcome back to our Bookster tutorial. Yay, today we will update you guys on new features of Bookster, which allows you to add multiple locations for your services and employees. So now your customers can receive our service from the closest location to them. Wonderful, your business can have widespread communication. Now, let's see how to set up several locations for your booking system. Yay, just dive right into the video. Okay, start from the Bookster dashboard. To enable this feature, we have to activate the Location add-on like that. Our site has activated it. Now you can see a new tab here, Locations. Click on it to figure it out. As you can see in the panel here, Bookster allows you to add unlimited locations to your business. It includes the main location available here. It may be the location of your headquarters. So I'm going to click to adjust our main location. A pop-up window will appear here. I'm going to leave the name as our business, the Junie Studio. Enter our address and map link here. This toggle button is Activate by default. If you want to disable this location, just switch it. Now navigate to the Available Services tab. Here you can assign specific services for this location. This is the main location of our business. I want to set it available for all services. Click here for Quick. With the Available Agents tab, I'm going to do the same way. Tick here to choose all agents. If you are satisfied with your location setup, hit the Save button here. But I'm not. I want to let our customers know more about our main studio. So I'm going to add the image of the studio here, leverage the wonderful feature of Bookster add-on. Yeah, quite good. Now I can save this setup. To configure other locations of our branch, I'm going to click here, New Location. Bookster also displays a pop-up window for users to figure out. A similar way to the main location, I'm going to do these steps again. With this location, I'll exclude commercial photography and graduation photo shoot services. The agent should be only one because this location is quite far away from the headquarters. Then hit the Save button and continue to add more locations to our chain of photo studios. Get Bookster system and do the same things for your business. It's time to spread your business, catch many customers, and allow them to make an appointment with you, even where they live. For example, let's see our booking website here. Try to book a new appointment. Yeah, you can see some locations of our business right in the first section. It displays all the information about our branch. If customers don't know the path to your location, they can check on the map in this link. Then continue with other steps to book a successful appointment. It is truly wonderful for your booking business, right? Yay! Don't hesitate to do some amazing things for your business. Bookster can boost you to the cloud. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye on our channel to see another tutorial with a list of Bookster add-ons.